To feel that step ahead of them.
Yep. And it's just a matter of practice.
She looks lovely.
She does.
Good for her, too.
It is. Absolutely. You want a canner? Oh, all right. Don't spend too long at it, though. I don't want her to be too worn out. Ellie's just started training little people.
Kids, you mean?
Yep. So that's fun.
It's very useful for me to see what the horse will do as compared to what I was able to do.
See how she keeps those reins nice and tense, even though they're not tight.
Right.
But they're...
And that's a hard thing for
It is hard.
judge.
It's hard for me to
Because
judge.
I tend to, if I shorten up, I tend to follow with my body. And then I go forward, and then the whole point of it's lost.
Yeah. That looked really nice.
She feels really good, actually.
Yeah, she looks good.